And this is what is super exciting for us because these AI companies are going to continue to need data, right? But if it's harder for you to actually source this and you're causing, the actual entity that you're sourcing from to potentially even lose business, how can you align incentives on those both parties? Well, the easiest way of doing this is to create a marketplace, right? Is to align their incentives where these AI builders can source data that's clean and it's not even the data that's scraped per se. It's data from the database, right? It's data that is behind what can be seen by just accessing those platforms. And you allow them to actually transact, and you allow not only a single AI company to purchase it, but other AI companies to come in and bid for that same data set to find out what it's actually worth. And if there's a way in the mix to actually, for these platforms that, the content that's getting generated is by maybe thousands of or hundreds of thousands of users, there's a way to actually give the users upside in those transactions, then we're moving to a completely different monetization method for the internet that is not based on the attention economy. It's not based on just advertisements, but it's based on the data that's getting produced via these applications. And that's super exciting for us.